Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the why and the how I do my molds. In my last video, I showed you how I sized an injected wax ring. Check it out, it's up on the channel now. Also, I'm up on Instagram, so go check that out. So if you watched that video, you would have noticed that the ring was actually in two parts before we sized it. Now there is a reason why I do it this way, and it's not because I'm crazy.
You are crazy.
One of the reasons is, with a ring this size, you're going to end up with a really thick mold. Most of my molds end up being about this size. This makes it a lot easier to cut them out. So before I start making the molds, what I've got to do is cut the pattern in half and then add the sprue. The top half of the pattern I need to lie flat in the mold. The band, I'll run it sideways. The reason I do it this way is I want the casting line to run around the outside of the ring. I don't want it to run through the middle of the ring, because when you put the molds together, they never line up perfectly. Line up the two parts. Now use a wax pen or soldering iron to join together. You can see I do have a casting line running across the tentacles. Don't worry, this is an easy fix. I'll use my wax pen to add a little more wax. Then I'll smooth off using an old file. If there's any defects in the wax, fix it now. Once it's cast, those defects will be in the silver or gold casting. I know this is probably not the correct way to do molds, but I just find it works for me. And it's always cool if you can see someone do it slightly different to you. Hopefully these tips have been helpful in your next jewelry project. Something on the screen there. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video. Almost forgot, leave a comment and check this video out here.